OH!
I-O! Wait a minute.
Oh, wow. Well, you got any famous words here for us there, fuckwad?
I'm ready. Bring on the pain.
Alright. You good? Get the noise. Let's make some noise, baby! Here we go! Hey, don't worry about letting the slack out, just jerk it.
No.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah. Go. Slack it. Now. Go. Oh, you almost bit it. Slow down! That means go faster.
Well, yeah.
Seriously, when you get the back loop, fucking open it up. The curve. He's leaning into it. Woo! Alright, here we go! Open it up, man. Hey, go do the big loop, not the small one. There's fresh snow back there. I can't even see him.
Wrap around his face, that was the whole point.
Yeah!
Let's see if I can get him in the pond.
Oh, man. Just don't have him hit anything.
You're like the porta potty.
Like the porta potty. We're gonna get him in the porta pot.
Oh,
I run out of porta shit or I'm gonna kill you.
God damn it! I'm gonna wreck.
Easy, Tiger. Whoa.
Yeah, don't wreck. I can't see shit.
Close it. Slow down. So you can see.
Why did I get... God. I got all the snow again.
I didn't even know. Whoa. I think we lost him.
Really?
I don't know, I can't see. No, he's there.
God, this sucks.
Wrap around his face, that was the whole point.
Yeah!
Let's see if I can get him in the pond.
Oh, man. Just don't have him hit anything.
You're like the porta potty.
Like the porta potty. We're gonna get him in the porta pot.
Oh,
I run out of porta shit or I'm gonna kill you.
God damn it! I'm gonna wreck.
Easy, Tiger. Whoa.
Yeah, don't wreck. I can't see shit.
Close it. Slow down. So you can see.
Why did I get... God. I got all the snow again.
I didn't even know. Whoa. I think we lost him.
Really?
I don't know, I can't see. No, he's there.
God, this sucks. Go.
Oh my God.
Yeah, do it.
Go, it's
Do
fun.
it.
You go.
You do
It's
it.
not that
You go. It's